Good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning. Please mute your phones. The Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins is presiding while Zoom is in session. There will be no driving, no head wraps unless they represent religious purpose, no inappropriate appearance, no eating, drinking, sleeping, smoking, white t-shirts, or hoodies. Please take heed to the instructions. Do not interrupt the judge while he was talking. When he wants to talk, he will prompt you. Court is in session. Good morning, Judge.
Good morning. Okay, good morning, everyone. I'm going to do the best I can to get you out as fast and efficiently as possible. I'm going to do the best I can to get you out in the order that you came in. Start with the reviews. This is the city of Detroit. Do we have this one? This is the city of Detroit versus Anthony. Oh, are we ready, Ms. Williams? No, I'm sorry.
Yes, Judge. Ready.
Oh, come on.
Can you hear me, Judge?
I can't, I'm sorry.
Okay.
This is the city of Detroit versus Anthony Javon Gant. Case number SE1678471. Mr. Gant, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Hello.
Anthony Gant.
Yes, sir. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
You were ordered to pay $240. I don't see that you paid.
What happened is I was working at the job, and then the job they was on some bullshit. They was on
all right.
Listen.
Now I'm putting you in the. You're on some bull, man.
No,
come in here. Don't come in here talking like that.
I'm sorry, sir. But
don't come and turn your camera on.
Can you hear me?
Turn your camera on.
Yes, sir.
If you don't have sense enough to say that you stop using that kind of language in court, I can see why they're on some bull.
No, I apologize, sir. Can you see me?
No, I can't. That's the matter.
Hold on a
second.
My camera.
Nicole Lumpkin.
Sir.
I'm passing the matter. Mute your device. City of Detroit versus Nicole Lumpkin, case number SB169784881. Good morning to you, Ms. Lumpkin. State your name correct, please.
Nicole Lumpkin.
All right, today is the date and time set for a review. Did you say you community service?
I get off work at 6 a.m. and I'm trying to find a good day on a Wednesday that I could come because that's the only day that I can do it. And I'm trying to go to this church that's near my house.
No, that's not how it works.
Okay.
I know that.
It's the same community service site that they gave me.
Oh, is it?
Yes, and Yes,
So
this,
why get off work at 6 o'clock? Why can't you find time to do it when you get off work?
well, yeah, that's what I'm trying to do it at like to try to go at like 12 to be done before my kids get out of school, but I can't do the whole 12 hours in one day. Like they're trying to like break it up where I could keep coming.
You have plenty of time now. Plenty of time. This has been months and months and months ago.
Okay.
You're not putting any effort to it.
I wasn't working, so I have to work. I was behind on everything, and I don't have transportation.
You still, I don't see that you're putting any effort to it, man. This has been since August. It's only 12 hours of community service.
Well, I am gonna get it done. I I'm I am trying to do everything else because I don't have transportation.
I'm just gonna go ahead and, you complete it, you come back in. If you don't complete it, then they'll just, then they'll have a show cause or a warrant out for your arrest. I'm not going to continue to putting entries in from August on 12 hours of community service. You could have done an hour a day. You could have done a half hour a day and it been done.
No, I don't want a warrant out for my arrest. So, yeah,
I
I'm
don't
gonna
I
get this done.
don't know how else to accommodate you. They got you somewhere in your area. I know you have other obligations and life obligations going on, but this
Yeah,
is
because they
quite.
said I couldn't bring my baby, so I'm trying to work on that. But no, I am gonna get it done.
All right. I wish you the best of luck, man. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Thank you so much.
City of Detroit versus Ron Sherelle Green, case number SP 174-61071, SP 175-70852. Ms. Green, state your name for the record, please.
Hiram Long, did you say?
No. Ms. Green,
Can't hear.
Ron Green. Let's pass the matter.
I can't hear it. One, seven, three, one, three, eight, one.
Let's pass the matter. This is the city of Detroit versus Hiram Long, case number SP 173-13801. Mr. Long, state your name for the record, please.
Hiram Richard Long.
All right, good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for review. I don't see that you paid either.
I paid one payment of 120. I haven't been working, but I'm working now, and I will get paid Friday, and I will be bringing down 150 to try to catch up with everything. I owed a total of 488, and I'm also trying to catch up on my rent. It's not your problem. I just been behind, y'all. I haven't been working,
Well,
but I'm doing a little bit better now.
I'm glad to hear you're doing better. I marked the file allow payment plan You didn't get into the payment plan, when you have, with the $150.
I'm sorry, I can't hear you. You went in and out again.
I said, I marked the file allowed payment plan, and I don't see that you got into the payment plan.
No, I didn't do that because I did have problems with phones. I ended up having to get a couple more phones, lost the phone. But no, I didn't because I didn't have the money. But like I said, I can do that this Friday. No problem.
All right, come back in on Friday to get into that payment plan. Well, you don't have to come back in. You don't have to come back in, just pay by Friday. And same thing, I'm not gonna keep it making entries, having my clerk make entries, and we're just keep going around and around. I'm trying to give everybody
Okay.
up, but you know, you could have got into the payment plan and you wouldn't have had to deal with me anymore.
Can I say something, Your Honor? I really probably didn't. I'm sorry. Go ahead.
Mr. Graham, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day. I marked the file for Friday, all right?
All right, you speaking to me. I think you said Brown, or did you say Long?
No, I'm sorry, Mr. Long. Have a very good day.
Long. All right, all right. Thank you, Judge Perkins. Thank you. Oh, going in and out. He's saying the wrong name.
Jacqueline Lee. That's that case doesn't seem to have been adjudicated yet. Jacqueline Lee. Jacqueline Darnell Lee. That firearms ordinance, that was set on review. It shouldn't be set for review.
Okay, we go. I got it.
Jacqueline Lee, improper.
Yes.
That's Jacqueline Darnell Lee then?
Yes.
Huh, sir?
Hold on. Are you Jacqueline Warren? Are you Jacqueline Darnell Lee?
Yes.
All right, very good. This is the city of Detroit, Ms. Lee, you've gotten into a payment plan, so you're free to, you don't have to deal with me anymore.
Okay.
You can come back in, and make sure that the cases are closed out like we said we would. But other than that, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you.
Is David Allen Lee here?
Yeah. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Good morning.
Good morning.
Detroit versus David Allen Lee, case number SP 174-35292. Good morning. You can state your name for the record, please.
David Lee.
The date, date, and time set for review. You were ordered to pay $240. I see that you paid the money. And we are going to dismiss the case, all right? I wish you the best of luck.
Thank you.
Rest of your day.
Thank you. You too.
Miss Iron Green.
Yes.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Let's go back on the record with Miss Green. Miss Green, you didn't pay.
I didn't pay.
I don't see that you paid.
I didn't know I had to pay. How much do I have to pay?
T-shirt from I guess not. I don't understand how you don't know you have to pay. You have to
Cause
pay. Go ahead.
you gave me community service. That's why I said I never knew I had to pay.
Community service,
No, that's what I was getting on here to say. But I would pay. How much do I have to pay?
well, if you were gonna do the community service, you do the community service. But if you're not gonna do the community service, then you owe $300.
Okay, that's why I was getting on here to ask you for an extension on my community service because the 2 off days that I have is bad for the community service that I picked. But my off days are getting switched on the 24th to Friday and Saturday, and so I will be able to do it.
Or when are you gonna have it done?
Um, before the 16th of December or before that, because like I said, my off days get switched on the 24th.
What day are you gonna have it done?
It's 12 hours, so I will only be able to work from 11. I mean, do the community
What
service
day are you gonna have it done?
the 16th.
All right, come back on the 16th of December. Best
Okay.
of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Okay, you too.
All right, City of Detroit versus Bradley Graham III, case number Z8093641. State your name for the record, Mr. Graham, please.
Bradley Graham.
All right, good morning to you.
Good
Ms.
morning.
Bumps, put your name, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Yes, good morning, Your Honor, and to all your staff. Lori Bumpus on behalf of the Probation Department.
Good morning to you. Go ahead and give us an update on what's going on with Mr. Graham.
Yes, Your Honor, Mr. Graham was last in court August 15, 2025. At that time, probation was continued. He was to test 2 times a month. Since that time, as far as his testing, Your Honor, he did miss testing on August 25th and September 8th. The probation department did submit a probation violation for those missed tests. Since that time, he missed an additional test of October 13th. However, he has tested as scheduled on November 10th. He was negative. October 27th, he was negative. And then October 18th, he was negative. As far as the classes, he's complied with all the classes. He's completed the victim's impact panel. The consequences video has been viewed. He attended alcohol highway safety education. He has an outstanding balance at this time of $630.
All right, you got Mr. Graham.
Yes.
You want to address the allegations that Ms. Bumpus laid out about missing tests?
Yes. The payment just got paid. I want to
I
say.
didn't ask about the payment. I said missing tests.
Oh, the missing test. I do the on the first 2 that I did miss. It is my fault, but they had this little site that you could put the money on, and it come to you monthly. And it had me on there for the first time. Like when I was going weekly, it didn't switch back over to my actual color. So I had got that confused. So that was my fault. And then the 3rd time that I missed, I was sick.
Ms. Bumpus, what is your recommendation?
Your Honor, he's saying that he paid today. However, that's not showing.
Not today, like Friday.
Okay, it's not showing. I checked right before I came to court. It's not showing. However, Your Honor, we would recommend an adjournment for a week just to follow up and make sure that it's paid. At that time, we would recommend that he be discharged.
How long has he been on probation?
Your Honor, he was placed on probation February 14th, 2025 for a period of 6 months. He was supposed to be off probation in August. So we've been adjourning it for him to come into complete compliance.
You must have been talking about $100 that he paid last week or last week.
No. Can I
Go ahead.
pay the $100 a while back, like during the beginning of the probation, and I just paid the remaining $630 Thursday or Friday. I have it. I screenshotted a picture of me paying it, but I don't know how.
How did you pay it? What means of payment did you use?
I went on the 36th District Court online thing.
All right, that's probably the problem. Probably not gonna show up for a while. I don't know how long it takes, but it usually takes a little while for that to happen. I'm more concerned really about the missed tests. All right, we'll adjourn for a week. What about the testing that week? Is there supposed to be any more testing in that week?
Can you say that again?
I'm asking Ms. Bumpus.
I'm sorry, Your Honor, I didn't hear you.
What about the test for that week, this next week? Or are we supposed to have another test for Mr. Brown?
Your Honor, he's testing 2 times a month and it's random screening, so I can't be assured that he will test before next week because it's random. But if the court wants, we can have him test before then.
What I'm gonna say is don't come back with another missed test before this is over, because it's gonna do nothing but extend it, and some more conditions are gonna be placed on you. It's like your one time miss, all right?
Okay. So I come when?
Next week, we'll see if the payment is made on October the 24th, October the 24th.
October. You mean November 24th?
November the 24th, I'm sorry.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
Have a
Thank
good
you.
day, everyone. Bye-bye.
Is Tyrone Lane here? Or Kawan Graves? Tyrone Lane or Kawan Graves? All right.
Okay.
This is the city of Detroit versus Anila Sincere Gann. Case number, and the state of Michigan versus Anila Sincere Gann. Case number SP 1527076-1, SP 1820979, counts 1 and counts 2, and count 3, SX 4581221, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr., on behalf of the defendant, state your full name, Ms. Gant.
Nyla Gant.
Not again. All right, Ms. Gant, good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a
Pre-trial, Your Honor.
pre-trial. Let's see, I'm trying to see what the last oh, this is Ms. Gant. Ms. Gant, did you take the class?
Yes.
Turn your camera on. Everybody's gonna have to turn their camera on when they start their video, please. And the name is called Ms. Gant.
Yes.
Tell me something about the class.
Can you repeat that?
Tell me something about the class that you learned.
Okay. From the class that I took, I learned that operating a vehicle without a license is not safe. Speeding is a contributing factor, 31% of all fatal crashes. There are 2 types of bad drivers, the aggressive driver and the unaware driver. The American Institute for the Public Safety defines
That's not your fault.
defines the aggressive driver as a person who drives with lack of courtesy and creates dangerous situations on the road. Speeding causes approximately 29% of U.S. traffic
All right,
fatalities.
you said there are two types of drivers. Aggressive driver and what?
Unaware driver.
And which one category do you fall into?
Aggressive.
Barry, right?
Yes.
All right, continue on.
In 2022, 29% of all traffic fatalities in the United States were in crashes where speeding was a contributing factor. Driving is a privilege that can be taken away from you. 1 in 50 licensed drivers have been involved in fatal or injury crashes. Collisions account 26.4% of all deaths for those ages 6 to 27. I learned about.
I'm done. I think that you got it. I hope that you got it.
I do.
You did an excellent job, first and foremost, because you said something about your disability and things like that. But I know there's ways to overcome that because you already did. You did a phenomenal job. I think that I hope those statistics that you just read and that you went over, you put yourself in the highest category of that at the rate of speed that you were driving. You put yourself right at the top of the list. But I think you did a phenomenal job. I'm going to go ahead, and then we said we were giving you the offer of limited access, 6 to 10. All of the matters are going to be dismissed.
Okay.
6 to 10 is going to be $135. Do you want to take the deal?
Yes.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for that responsible plea on your client's behalf.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Yes, Your Honor, so stipulated.
With that stipulation, I'm going to find your client responsible for the amended count of limited access 6 to 10 and dismissing the other matters. $135. When can you pay this again?
Next Wednesday.
I'll give you until next Friday. If that matters. Since court will be closed, I'll give you until December the 1st to make sure. I'm proud of you, ma'am. I think that you're an example of you say you have a disability, but anything can be overcome. You did a phenomenal job, and I hope that you really got something on it.
Yes, thank you.
All right. Because if you speak again, if I'm still here, you're gonna come back and see me. All right.
Okay.
So that's not a deterrent. I know you don't want to see me anymore.
I didn't hear you. I'm sorry.
I said, I know you don't want to see me anymore. So if that's not a deterrent, I don't know.
No, I don't.
The statistics should be a deterrent, though.
Yes.
All right. Have a great day, ma'am, and best of luck to you. Pay at any DIVBAT kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DIVBAT after your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay. There are other ways. I just give you the best ways. All right.
Okay.
Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too. Thank you.
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning. This is Mr. O'Neill. I spoke with you yesterday. Friday. We set up for trial. I spoke with my lawyer yesterday, and he said he was going to try to get us in as soon as possible. I'm about to go into surgery in like 5 minutes.
All right. Well, I don't know where your lawyer is. Who's the lawyer?
Hold on just a second. His name is Aaron Ogletree.
All right, he's here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with him.
I'm trying to show you. Look, sir, I'm about to
Listen,
go.
I understand that, but you said Monday. You should have told us you had a surgery on Monday.
I did, sir. I did. I told you this, sir. We spoke on this, sir.
Come in there and talk to Mr. Ogletree, please.
Yes, sir.
City of Detroit versus Lucinda Galvin, case number SP 1784779, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1800487, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
I'm here.
Elwood Asbury Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Galvin.
Lucinda Galvin.
Morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Ms. Galvin asked for an appointed attorney. Did you ever get one?
Yes, I did.
Who was your attorney?
Let me see.
Dupree.
Matthew Dupree.
Dupree, he's here. All right, I'm gonna pass the matter and he will come see you, all right? Let's pass the matter. City of Detroit versus Wassam Ali Fatah, case number SP 1756418. One count 2, SP 1756419, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood Asbury Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Fatah.
My first name is Wassam. My last name is Fatah.
All right, good morning to you. Purpose of arraignment, counselor.
Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Fatah, he has 3 other civil infractions that go along with this. If the city has no objection, I wouldn't have any issue with setting them aside. Improper equipment, improper display of plate, and a careless driving. Improper equipment, improper display of plate, and careless driving. Mr. Fatah, put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to try. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. Let's pass the matter. This is the City of Detroit versus Antoinette Garrett, case number SP 127474041, SP 1300531. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning to the staff. May it please this honorable court, Cherika Harris, P72832 on behalf of Ms. Garrett. Please state your name for the record.
Antoinette Garrett.
Okay, good morning to you, Ms. Harris. Ms. Harris, Ms. Harris is going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Okay.
Let's pass the matter. Let's go with Rock, Ms. Lackley. With Lackley. Counselor on Lackley. Okay, no response.
I'm on. Am I muted?
You're on. I need your attorney, ma'am. They sent me a message, but I'm not seeing them respond, but I will pass it momentarily. Counselor, good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Who's your client?
Allah Obey.
Allah Obey, City of Detroit versus Mohammed Obey.
Yes, sir. Your Honor, I'm the interpreter on that.
Very well. Ms. Rahal, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Allah Obey.
Interpreting for the court.
All right, can you raise your right hand, Ms. Hall? Do you swear or affirm that you'll truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the matter now before the court not divulge confidential communication, so help you God?
I do.
And do you swear or affirm that to the best of your ability, you'll interpret from English to Arabic and Arabic to English?
I will, yes.
Very well. This is the city of Detroit versus Allah Muhammad Obey. Case, strike that. State of Michigan versus Allah Muhammad Abdi Obey. Case number SX 4576082. Counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Your Honor. Again, Samira Rahal interpreting for the court. لعلاء عبيد رقم القضية SX 457608081. أعطيه اسمك سيد.
علاء محمد عبد الله عبيد.
علاء محمد عبد الله عبيد.
And Marquez P4629 on behalf of Mr. Allah.
والمحامي ماركوس زكي عم بيمثل سيد عبيد.
I think the call is a little premature. It's set for 9 o'clock. I think the officers have a grace period till 9:30.
I have a plea agreement.
اوكي الشرطي مش موجود وبعد بيعطيه نص ساعة قبل ما نقول انه ما حضر الشرطي. تمام؟
Okay.
So is your client wish to not wait till 9:30 to see if the officer shows?
Yes.
عم بيقول رح ينطر ل9:30 نشوف إذا وصل الشرطي. محاميك وافق.
I have an agreement for limited access 1 to 5.
في اتفاقية إنه من 1 ل5 رح يغيروا المخالفة. هذا ما عليها نقود. Okay.
Your client wants to take that deal?
Yes, Your Honor. We'll receive your response.
قال ايه وافقنا ناخذ هاي اللي قدموا لنا اياها.
We plead responsible.
مسؤول رح يقول هو مسؤول.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Obey?
سيد عبيد مجد بدك تاخذ اللي قدموا لك اياها مخالفة؟
ايوه.
Yes.
All right, stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for that responsible plea on your client's behalf, counselor.
رح يوافقوا على المخالفة اللي موجود على الورق. بس مزبوط هالكلام حضرة المحامي؟ اوكي.
Yes, Your Honor.
نعم. تمام.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
رح نلغي المخالفة الأول.
Yes, Your Honor.
نعم.
All right, with those stipulations, I'm going to find your client responsible for the amended count of limited access 1 to 5, $125. Mr. Obey, when can you pay?
سيد عبيد وافق إنه تنزل من 1 ل5 زيادة على الملأ. تدفع $125. عم يسألك القاضي. أنت فيك تدفع؟
Mr. Obey, can you pay $125?
فيك تدفع $125 سيد عبيد؟ Is he there?
Drop out.
I'll give your client until December the 1st to pay it.
Thank you, Your Honor.
There's nothing further. Have a very good day. And best of luck to you. Thank you, Mr. Gary.
كل واحد تدفع. Okay. Am I needed for anything else, Your Honor?
I don't believe so. You're more than welcome to ask. Mr. Guest, can you call Mr. Obey and tell him?
I will. Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. سيد عبيد هيدا أنت؟
يا
عم يسألك القاضي فيك تدفع ال 125. I don't know if he's hearing me.
All right. His client, his attorney's gonna tell him.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor, and have a good morning, day.
All right, Mr. Hall. On the iPhone, I just got in the room. Can you state your name, please, ma'am?
Yes, Michaela Gaines.
Good morning to you, Ms. James.
Good morning, sir.
Any other retained counsels here?
Hey, Your Honor.
Go ahead. Let me say, Mr. You have Mr. Dupree, you have Ms. Galvin. She's here. We called her case. I'm gonna give you an opportunity to speak with her.
Judge, we're ready to proceed.
I'll be ready to proceed on Tariqa Locke too when you get a chance.
Let's go back on the record with Ms. Galvin. Mr. Dupree, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Matthew Dupree, PH 0132 for the defendant. Ms. Galvin, your name again, please.
Lucinda Galvin.
Judge, we're just looking to set a bench trial date.
Trial date will be, well, we have December the 11th, Mr. Dupree.
Judge, I'm leaving town beginning December the 3rd. Is there any chance that could go to January the 5th or 12th?
January the 5th, 2026 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you, Ms. Galvin.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Else, Mr. Dupree?
That's it for me, Judge. Have a good one.
Yes, brother. This is the City of Detroit versus Tariqa Locke, case number SP 148046061. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes. Alan Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your full name for the record, ma'am?
Ms. Locke, are you there?
I'm here. Tariqa Locke.
Today is the date and time. Tariqa, I'm sorry. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. What does Ms. Locke want to do, Mr. Jerome?
Your Honor, at this time, we still haven't received, we received written discovery, but not the video. And what I would request at this time is a bench trial. By that time, I'll have the video and I'll be able to review it with Ms. Locke and be able to proceed.
Our trial date will be December 11th. December 11th at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, Ms. Locke, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Your Honor, can we have I have 4 trials on that day. I don't care, that's enough. I can handle it. You can make it the 12th or the 10th, but either way, either one's good. The 11th is good.
All right, 11th then.
Okay, go with it. Thank you.
Okay. All right. Go ahead, Ms. Locke.
Which day is it again?
December the 11th.
Okay.
Is that by Zoom, Your Honor?
That's by Zoom. There's nothing further. Have a very good day. And best of luck.
Thank you.
9 a.m.
9 a.m.
Okay, very good. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Excuse me, Your Honor.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Fata. Mr. Barrett, I've given you the opportunity to speak to your client. What's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we seek a trial date and the appointment of counsel.
All right, I need a good phone number from you. Mr. Fata.
Yes, sir. I'm sorry. My good phone number is 313-409-5307.
I'm going to set a matter for a pretrial to set date December 9th, 2020 at 8:30. That date is set to make sure that you hear from that appointed attorney If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by that date, then we're gonna get one appointed to you on the spot, okay?
Yes.
All right, so answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney.
Yes, sir.
All right, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
You do.
City of Detroit versus Angela Tracy Getter, case number SP 1758092, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Getter.
Angela Jeter.
Jeter, I'm sorry. Good morning to you. Today is the time set for a pre-trial. Ms. Jeter, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room. Mr. Berry's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. All right, pass the matter. Ms. Harris, we sat, and I guess we reached out to the treatment court. Ms. Garrett, good morning to you. Give us a minute, please, and we'll get them in here and we'll get somebody to talk to you, okay, ma'am?
Okay.
All right. Esmeralda Lopez Perez, good morning to you. Esmeralda Lopez.
Bless you.
Geez. Yes.
You're doing the TPIs. So no,
Mr. Ogletree, are you there?
I'm here, Your Honor. We're ready on Marvin O'Neill.
All right, let's go with the City of Detroit versus Marvin O'Neill. Case numbers SP 1806119, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Aaron Ogletree, about for Mr. Marvin O'Neill.
Mr. O'Neill, state your name for the record, please.
Marvin O'Neill.
All right. Day is the date and time set for a continued trial. What's going to be the outcome? Has there been any kind of resolution?
Yeah, there's a resolution. Sorry for his appearance. He's about to go into surgery.
No, he doesn't apologize for that.
Okay. So it's going to be a 3-month delay sentence to the misdemeanor, and the other charge is going to be dismissed. He's going to plead guilty.
I can pay you back. Oh.
Officer Crowe, can you put your name badge on?
Thank you.
Officer Brandon Grow, Detroit Police Department, 6th Precinct, badge number 1105.
All right, now let me ask you, good morning to you. Let me ask you this, Mr. O'Neill. This is not being taken because you're in a pressure situation with your surgery and stuff like that, is it? Where's Mr. O'Neill? You got to unmute yourself, sir.
I'm sorry. No, sir.
All right, because you indicated that you had this was no case last time. Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
You can put your hand down. You understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fine.
Yes, sir.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Ogletree went over your other advice and rights and breakout room, did he not?
Yes, sir.
You understood those rights? Did you understand those rights?
Yes, sir.
Any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
You know, by taking a deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's the state?
No, sir.
Let me draw your attention back to October 4th, 2024, at around 8:05 p.m. City of Detroit area, Southfield and Plymouth. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, sir.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes, sir.
Did you have some marijuana in the passenger compartment of that motor vehicle?
Yes, sir.
And you can have access to that marijuana while you're operating that motor vehicle. You could access that. It was in the area where you can access that marijuana. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Find your client guilty as charged. Be 3 months delayed. Stipulate proper cause will dismiss the other matter.
Yeah, Your Honor, can I say something very briefly too?
You may.
Yeah, Mr. Malone is about to turn himself in on the 25th. He's gonna be doing 60 days in jail on that day where he came in contact with the police officers while he was upset. What the video shows is he had just recently got served with divorce papers that same day. So it was a trigger for him, that same thing. And the police officer himself said he was married for 15 years. So, and Mr. O'Neill was stopped, he said just moments before, by another officer who said it was no issue. Then these officers did say that that marijuana was an issue. So we would just ask if the court would be willing to impose a minimum fine as possible.
Well, what I'll do is come back in 3 months and we'll fine you $240. But come back in 2 months, come back in 3 months, you show us proof that you did the time in jail and we'll give you time served.
Yes, sir.
All right. Listen, the transportation of the marijuana is almost like a pistol. Yeah, you can't have it in the passenger compartment of your vehicle. And it'll be, you have a legal right to carry it as long as it's in the correct amount. Then they can't do anything about that. But I wish you the best of luck on your surgery. We're gonna be praying for that. Most importantly, you get through those health issues and you come back on February the 17th, 2026 at 8:25, and you show us proof of that incarceration. Other than that, it's a $240 fine, 3-month delayed sentence, okay?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Have a great day, Officer Crowe. Have a very good day and you be safe out there, all right?
You as well, Your Honor. Thank you.
Ms. Galvin, you're back?
Yes, I have a question.
Yes.
Instead of waiting till January, can I ask for another appointed attorney?
No.
No? Okay.
Okay.
When is the next date? I didn't get to hear it.
January the, what did you say, the 5th? For Galvin? I think I got, no, that's not it.
Yeah.
All right, let's move on to Greer, Jamar Greer. Are you there?
Yes, Judge.
January the 5th? Yes. January the 5th, Ms. Galvin.
Okay, and it's the same time and the same number for the Zoom?
Yes, yes.
Okay, thank you.
Jamar Greer, is he here? Unmute yourself, sir.
I'm here.
All right, good morning. This is the city of Detroit versus Jamar Greer, case numbers SP 178-1378, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 178-1340, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Jamar Greer.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Mr. Greer.
All right, David, date and time set for a pre-trial, arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead for purposes of arraignment, please.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf and give your client a $0 bond. Your client has a number of civil infractions that he never addressed. One is the $336 proof, no proof of insurance. These other civil infractions are more recent. I'll allow him to heard on those, if the city has no objection. They went along with this case, it's school zone, no plates, and defective brake lights.
That's
Mr.
on.
Greer, Mr. Greer, Ms. Harris is gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room. You can have a conversation with her. Let us know what you wanna do when you come out, okay?
Okay, can I ask you one question?
What is that? Why don't you ask Ms. Harris? And if she can't answer, then maybe. All right, let's pass the matter. He's in there, Ms. Harris. All right. Let's call the city of Detroit. Are we ready on Lackley?
Yes, Your Honor. Good morning.
All right, good morning to you. This is the city of Detroit versus Tatrisa Lackley, case number SP 179-72031. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Danny and Woodson, P68870 on behalf of Ms. Lackley.
Good morning, Ms. Woodson. Ms. Lackley, can you state your name for the record, please?
Patrice Nashay Lackley.
All right, Officer McCullough, good morning to you. Are you there?
Good morning, Your Honor. Yes, I'm here.
State your name, badge number, department for the record, please.
Police Officer Blake McCullough, badge number 4882.
All right, there's a date and time set for a formal hearing. Attorney Woodson, or an attorney, well, I asked Officer McCullough, do you have any issue with speaking to the attorney, or do you want to speak to the city attorney first?
I would like to speak to the city attorney first. I'm still trying to obtain discovery in this matter. I submitted a FOIA request, and I've also called the city law department and left messages. I even did a discovery request with the Wayne County Prosecutor's Office, but I have not received anything at this time. I did speak with the insurance agent who's investigating a claim regarding this incident. Obviously, their investigation started before I was retained. They still haven't received discovery in this matter, so I was hoping if I could receive discovery today.
Okay, let's pass the matter. There's Ms. Horn. I'm going to give you privileges going forward. I'm going to put your client in room number 5, Ms. Lackley. That way your attorney can come see you and speak to you about it. And Ms. Horn, can you put your, good morning to you, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Yes, Your Honor. Good morning. Tamika Horn on behalf of the City of Detroit, P70303, Your Honor.
Right. This is a Lackley, it's a formal hearing. Counselor Woodson is here, the officer is here. Counselor Woodson needs to speak to you about some discovery issues. I'm going to put you both in a breakout room. We'll pass the matter. Ms. Lackley, go to room number 5. Your attorney will come see. And,
thank you, Your Honor. Good morning, Madam Clerk and Officer Wilson.
Good morning. Let's pass the matter. Ms.
Your
Garrett, good morning to you. I have Ms. Warfield here from Specialty Court. She's going to come and speak with you, all right? Join that room, Ms. Garrett. She's in there, Ms. Warfield. Good morning to you, Ms. Warfield. All right, let's go back on the record. Ms. Jeter. Ms. Jeter, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client has shown valid insurance and registration, and we'd seek dismissal.
All right, did you want to say something, ma'am?
Oh no, that was it. He took care of everything. Thank you.
All right, case dismissed. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you. You too. Bye-bye.
All right. Terrell Gilmer.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning to you. Mr. Berry, this is the city of Detroit versus Terrell Joseph Gilmer, case number SP 178-6979, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gilmore.
Terrell Gilmore.
All right, good morning to you, Officer Huff. Good morning to you. Can you put your name, badge, number, department on the record, please? Officer Huff, Mr.
Yes,
Huff.
good morning.
Go ahead.
Yep, Officer Hop, Detroit Police Officer, badge 17889.
All right, I have you appear outside the cutoff. I'll let, it's 8:30, it was 9 o'clock, but I'll let Mr. Berry talk to Mr. Gilmore and find out what they want to do, and then if you want to talk to Mr. Berry, you can speak to him as well, or the city attorney.
Thank you.
All right, Mr. Gilmer, you join the breakout room, speak with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. If you don't like the offer, the day is the date and time set for the formal hearing, and Mr. Berry will tell you the rest. All right.
All right, thank you.
Let's pass the matter. All right, Counselor, is that Gunn?
Yes, sir, it is. Good morning, Your Honor. Samuel Gunn here on behalf of and with Dominic Grandison. Your Honor, we haven't had a chance to talk to the city attorney, but he'd plead responsible to an amended charge of blockading traffic or impeding traffic.
Is that what the offer was?
We haven't talked to anyone. I'm advising the court that he would plead responsible if that was offered to him.
I'm sure he would. Going to Mrs. Horn and see if you can secure that officer. I do believe Officer McLeod is here, so go talk to the city attorney.
That'd be great. So I should hit join? Join for?
Join.
Thank you,
Good
Judge.
morning, Mr. Grandison. Mental. Miss Harrison, Richard.
She needs to be put in a breakout room in this area.
All right. If she doesn't want it, then she doesn't want it. She needs to be sure that.
She must have shared something.
Yes. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gant, Mr. Anthony Gant. Have you got yourself together, sir?
Yes, sir.
Turn your camera on.
Okay. Damn, my camera's fucking up.
Now, see, listen, I'm about to put you out. If you don't have you have to learn. Bye. We're just waiting on a lawyer. Opals Tree, are you ready on anyone?
You never.
What's the snap?
Just like you eat worms too.
What's the snap? Let's call it is Andrews here, Officer Andrews? This is the city of Detroit versus Clarence Lewis, case number SP 173-98501. Mr. Lewis, good morning. You state your name for the record, please.
Good morning, Clarence Lewis.
All right, today is the date and time set for a trial. Is there an Officer Andrews? He was here. Officer Andrews. He's in the breakout. Run, Mr. Lewis.
Sir, I had a question.
No, wait a minute. I'm gonna get you an attorney to answer your question.
Okay, thank you.
License. Let's pass it. Just pass it. When the attorney comes available, get you in there. Andrews here on Lewis.
Yes, good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. We're gonna call that in a minute.
Yeah, nothing came up from the judge.
All right. Are you able to run an Ohio license? Officer Andrews?
Sorry, sir?
Are you able to run an Ohio license?
At this time, no, Your Honor.
I'm sorry.
Are you ready on anybody Ogletree?
I'm ready on two cases, Mr. Elijah Granum and Rashawn Golly.
This is the city of Detroit versus Elijah Daniel Branham, case number SP 1764157, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1768621. Appearance for the record, please.
Aaron Ogletree on behalf of Mr. Granum. Mr. Granum, can you state your full name?
Elijah Granum.
Good morning to you, sir. Today is date time set for a pre-trial. Mr. Ogletree, what's Mr. Brown want to do?
So the prosecution is going to dismiss the no ops and then also the no insurance misdemeanor, and we're asking for prosecution has no objection to HIDA into the remaining two was the violation of marijuana code and possession of tobacco rolling papers.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Brown?
Yes, sir.
Raise your right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Or you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for these offenses are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Ogletree went over your other advice or rights to break out on, did he not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Questions about those rights?
You said what?
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No.
You know, by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
All right, Mr. Ogletree, what is this, HIDA?
Yes.
Let me draw your attention back to September the 3rd, 2025, at around 12:37 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Puritan, LaSure. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Can you repeat it?
Did you get stopped on September the 3rd, 2025, at around 12:37 a.m. in the area of Plymouth and LaSure in the city of Detroit? Did you get stopped by the police that day?
Yes.
Did you have some marijuana on you?
Yes.
And at the time you had that marijuana, you were under 21?
Yes.
And did you have some tobacco as well?
Yes.
All right. Find your client guilty as charged. I'm only going to fine him for one $240. I'll come a break on the other one. Stipulation of probable cause will dismiss the other two matters.
Oh, we stipulated probable cause. I would also note his father's there in the background. Your father said you won't have any issue with him moving forward.
Good morning to you. Can you state your name, Dad?
Richard Granum, Your Honor.
All right. I'm going to cut him a one-time break on one of the fines, $240. Going to be taken under HIDA. What was the term of probation that the city?
They didn't propose one.
All right. So what I'll do.
Discretion.
Mr. Granum, one time, I'm gonna let you get this matter closed out upon payment of $240. When can you pay?
Today, Your Honor.
Today.
Very well. I asked him when he can pay, but I'm sure it's coming from
Today.
bad anyway. So, 240, sir. Come back tomorrow morning. If it's here by tomorrow morning, then we will, close this out on Ida, meaning that you, it will not be on your record, all right?
Okay.
All right. Paying any div that kiosk in the city of Detroit, I'm told you can upload the div that app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse in person and pay it. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. Have Ms. Max put it in the system. When you see it, 240 there, pay it. Come back tomorrow morning. We'll close the matter out to this pay. I wish you the best of luck and thanks, Mr. Brown, for showing up. It doesn't go unrecognized that you are there on behalf of your son. The court appreciates that and recognizes that.
I appreciate it, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Brown. If there's nothing further, best of luck to you.
You too.
Thank you,
Thank you.
You're welcome. Who do you have next, Mr. Ogletree?
Deshaun Golly, Golly.
Deshaun Golly. All right. City of Detroit versus Deshaun Dante Golly. Case numbers SP 1779379. And then it's two civil infractions that I wouldn't have an issue with them. You getting an offer on him, Mr. Golly being heard. SP 1779442 counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Aaron Ogletree, Bob for Mr. Golly. Mr. Golly, can you state your full name? We can't hear you, Mr. Golly.
All right, something's wrong with his device. Maybe that earpiece or something is not working. If you take that off, it may help things.
Deshaun Deontay Golly.
All right, good morning to you, sir. He has an unsafe manner disregarding a red signal. What was the offer? Did you get an offer?
We were requesting a bench trial date.
All right, we'll start the trial/formal hearing on December the 11th, 2025 at 9 a.m. Mr. Golly, if there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Okay.
All right.
All right, have a good day.
You're welcome. You as well. Is that all you have? All right, who are we ready on?
Your Honor, if I may, for Ms. Garrett.
Yes.
I did have an opportunity to speak briefly with her and Attorney Harris. It appears that, no, it was not necessarily a miscommunication, but Ms. Harris is going to request something else for Ms. Garrett.
Okay, thank you, Ms. Warfield, for joining in so quickly. We
Absolutely.
appreciate you. Anybody else has any mental health issue or alcohol related issue, you can let the court know. Ms. Warfield is here now, and they have an excellent treatment program. So I don't see any hands in the room. So Ms. Warfield, if we need you, we'll call you. Thank you so much.
Absolutely, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, let's go. Is Granderson ready?
Yes, sir, it is. Morning, Judge Samuel Gunn here with Mr.
City of
Granderson.
Detroit. City of Detroit versus Dominic Dwayne Granderson. Case number SP 179-41501. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning. Good morning, Your Honor. May it please the court. I'm Samuel Gunn here on behalf of and with Dominic Granderson. We had an opportunity to discuss the matter with the city council, and they've agreed that Mr. Granderson can plead responsible to an amended charge of impeding traffic and impeding or blockading, and he'll pay his fine within 30 days.
Well, he's asking him to pay his fine within 30 days.
Yes, sir. He's already committed to it.
But I'm the one that determines when he's able to pay the fine, Counselor.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Granderson, good morning. You state your name for the record, please.
Dominic Dwayne Granderson.
All right, good morning. You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right, stipulate to the face of the ticket on behalf of your client as an accurate factual basis for that
Yes, sir.
responsibility, Counselor.
Yes, sir, I do, Your Honor.
All right, I'm going to find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic. I'm trying to pull Officer McLeod out of the room. 175, and you say you need a month, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, and he'll have it paid within that amount of time.
I'll give you till December 18th to pay it.
That'll work.
Div that kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the div that app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it, sir. There are other ways. Those are the two best ways. If you don't have anything further, sir, I wish you the best of luck, and you as well, Attorney Gunn.
Thank you very much, Your Honor. Have a wonderful holiday as well, and we wish everybody good luck and good health.
Thank you so much.
Where is Mr. Grandison on the docket?
At 8:30, right in the middle.
That's correct. 8:30 formal hearing.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Y'all have a good day.
Bye now.
Joseph Lewis, who's your
Yes,
attorney?
I was just, I'm not sure, Your Honor. I was just trying to make sure you had me in here because I've been in here a while, but which I'm not rushing. I don't care if I'm the last person. I just wanted to make sure I'm in here. You had me in here.
Yeah, you're in here.
Okay, thank you so much.
Next. Officer McLeod, I marked you as a peer. The city officer blocking traffic.
That's correct, Your Honor.
All right, be safe and have a good rest of your day.
You as well.
iPhone, can you unmute yourself and start your camera, please?
It's Lynetta, Judge.
Lynetta Gordon.
Lynetta Gordon, yup, I'm sorry. Yup, Lynetta Gordon, Judge. How you doing this morning?
I'm well. Whoa.
Yeah. You want my case now?
No, why are you back?
You told me the 17th.
Did I?
Yeah, you told me come back the 17th because I'm supposed to pay the what's the name? Pay the 120 on the 13th, but no, I'm supposed to pay that on the 20th, but my home care check didn't come. I ain't put it in enough time. So it's gonna come next week. Both checks coming on the 20th. And I'm supposed to pay everything by the 17th, but I don't get paid to the 20th.
She was supposed to pay that back.
Why wasn't number done?
It just says.
Can you tell Mr. Myra I said hello?
Good morning.
Good morning.
All right, well,
Supposed to pay the 220. That's what she didn't have to come back.
you didn't have to come back. You just have to pay.
Okay, then I'll go down there and pay it on the 20th. I'll be there. Thanks, Judge. See y'all later. Thank you.
Oh, that ought to work.
Judge, did you watch it?
What?
The game last night?
No.
You say it was, see that foolishness.
Told you. Didn't I tell you already?
I told you that you can't win without a mobile quarterback
No,
today.
man, period. They won, they got already.
They go get it.
Hey, Judge, can I get a moment before we go to the next case?
Okay.
Thank you.
Google Pixel 7. I've asked you to unmute yourself and start your camera. I don't know how to help you anymore. I'm sending you the prompt and you're not responding. I'm gonna
Parade of microphone. Yeah, that's the one for like jazz. That one has a pedal.
Google Pixel 7.
Is that me? Is that me, Your Honor?
No, it's not you.
Okay, I'm sorry. It's just a prompt that popped it on my screen, so I'm sorry.
A prompt popped on your screen. Google, is it popping up there now? If it is, you're on 2 devices.
No, I'm on one device. It's
All right, I'll remove.
You left. What does it mean, Your Honor? What's the name?
It just says Google Pixel 7. I have your name, Mr. Gomez. Everybody else I have names. Have you settled this with Mr. Gilmore, Mr. Berry?
Well, in the sense, Your Honor, is the court indicating that Officer Haupt did not make it before the cutoff period? Before the grace period?
That was the indication.
I'm back, Your Honor.
We'd seek dismissal, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gilmer. Mr. Gilmer, case dismissed. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor. Appreciate it.
All right, let's go with Mr. Berry. This is the city of Detroit versus
So just hang up and just hang up and reconnect. As soon as I'm back.
what happened to city of Detroit versus Clarence Lewis? Case number SP 173-98501. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lewis.
Lewis. Your Honor, I also had a question that I said I could ask my
Yeah, but you're gonna put you in the breakout room. Is Officer Andrews here? Name, badge, number, department. Good morning to you for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Officer Andrews, badge 111,
3rd Precinct.
Detroit Police Department.
Yes, sir.
All right, Mr. Lewis, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Thank you.
You're in the room, let's pass the matter.
I just wanted to say hi, Your Honor.
Hey,
Hi,
how
I
you
just
doing,
never
Mr.
see
Lee?
any of you in person, so I just wanted to put my head in and say hi, and I hope you have a blessed day, everyone.
Yeah, if we
Okay?
don't see you, but we'll probably see you before then.
Hopefully, Your Honor. And by the way, I'm running for judge in Lincoln Park, so.
Oh, good, okay.
If you know anybody in Lincoln Park, River Rouge, or E-Course, the choice is crystal clear.
There you go.
Thank you, Judge. Have a great one, guys.
All right. Officer Huck, they took the dismissal. Be safe, and we'll see you next time. City of Detroit versus, well, that's Mr. Barry's gone, okay. So Ms. Harris, are you ready on anyone?
I am not. Ms. Horn needs to see the file from Mr. Greer, and I would need to speak with Ms. Garrett in a breakout room.
And Ms. Banks.
Ms. Garrett's in 6.
Thank you.
Who wants to sit about? She's next door. She's. Marvin could take this.
Well, I don't know. It doesn't have to take-
Who needs it? Who needs it?
Tamika Horn.
Ms. Horn needs to bring or something?
I didn't get it clear because I was typing.
I'll bring it. I'll take it.
She wants to review the file, that's what Ms. Harris said.
I can take it to her if you need to.
If you want to. Texas A&M game?
No, who they
Oh
playing?
my God, I didn't see the game, but I was watching, the scores. South Carolina was up by 30. Wow. It was like 27, it was like 30-3. Wow. Second half, Texas A&M came back to beat them like 31-30.
Did they win? They gotta get some.
Oh, Texas A&M. All right. Are we ready on anyone? Are we ready on Garrett?
Yes. Ready, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record, Ms. Antoinette Dion Garrett. Ms. Garrett, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what is your client want to do?
Your Honor, we are respectfully requesting an adjourned pretrial or a trial date if the court would allow. She does have an appointment with the Secretary of State tomorrow.
Well, I've given her opportunity to pay this reinstatement fee up front. And that hasn't been done. So if you're going to Secretary of State, I would bring down $45 today. Ms. Garrett.
Where do I go?
36th District Court.
How much I bring?
$45.
Oh, see, I told my daughter that I had to go pay it. I didn't know. I thought I had to go pay it at the Secretary of State, and so she made an appointment for the day that she had off with her two jobs at the same time. I didn't know that I was supposed to pay it there. Wow. Yes, I can.
Can you bring it in today?
Yes. I didn't
Bring
even
that
know that.
$45
Yeah.
into the 36th District Court today. Get it in here as soon as you can so that it'll go through so you'll be ready for tomorrow.
Okay.
All right, Ms. Garrett. I wish you the best of luck. Trial date on December the 11th at 9 a.m., okay?
Okay, but when I paid the $45 down there, don't I pay the $288 you told me I had to pay? Do I pay it down there too?
You can. I was trying to just give you an opportunity to save you some money right quick, and you can pay that other portion of that later. You can pay the 45, but if you have the whole 288, you can pay the whole 288.
Or can I pay some? I could pay the $45 and some money on the 288, or how do that go?
Just pay the $45 and then go to Secretary of State, get your license, and then you'll deal with the other amount of money later, okay?
Oh, okay. I just had it wrong. Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Best of luck to you, ma'am. I'll see you back on December the 11th. I hope everything goes well with your license.
Thank you.
All right. Have a great day.
Yes, December 11th. Oh, wow. I'm crazy.
This is the city of Detroit versus Joseph Lawrence Lewis. Case number SP 162-53881. SP 165-5016. Counts 1 and counts 3. SP 167-09581. SP 1688024. Counts 1 and counts 2. SP 170-16721. SP 175-1477. Counts 1 and counts 2. SP 179-0818. Counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 162-5375. Counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 167-0936. Counts 1 and counts 2. And SP 1700599. Counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Cherica Harris on behalf of Mr. Lewis.
All right, state your name. Good morning to you, Mr. Lewis. So state your name for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Joseph Lewis.
All right. Today is the date and time set for a trial. I have Officer Frostic here. I'll try to bring him out. I have Officer Jones here. I'll try to bring him out. I have Officer Sergeant Willie Robinson is here. Try to bring him out. Officer Jones, good morning to you. Can you state your name, badge number, department for the record for Joseph Lewis, please?
Good morning, sir. Officer Darius Jones, badge 420, Detroit Police Department.
Good morning to you. Sergeant Robinson, good morning to you. Can you state your name, badge, for the record for Joseph Lewis, please?
Good morning, sir. Sergeant Robinson, badge S25, Detroit Police Department.
Okay, good morning to you. Officer Michael Green had appeared. Officer Michael Green, good morning to you. Name, state your, unmute yourself, turn your camera on, state your name, badge number, department for the record, please. All right, Ms. Harris, I don't think, let's see, Officer James, he's here as well. I'll try to pull him out. All right, give Mr. Lewis an updated offer. Keep in mind, Mr. Lewis, if you don't like the offer, today is the date and time set for a trial. The only one I haven't seen is Ross. All right, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, Mr.
Yeah, Your Honor, all the steps that you told me to do, I got all the steps that you told me to do. So I'm gonna figure it out.
Speak to Ms. Harris, she'll help you. Join the room, please. I'm sorry, Ms. Williams. Runs license. Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Lackley. Ms. Lackley, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your plan want to do?
Good morning, Your Honor. At this time, we're requesting a 30-day adjournment in order to get the discovery from the FOIA request that I submitted.
What did Ms. Horn say about the discovery?
She said since it's not tied to a misdemeanor, I would have to do a FOIA request. They're not required, or their policy is to not give out discovery when it's not tied to a misdemeanor misdemeanor traffic matter.
Well, she can, court can order her to do that. There's gonna expedite this issue. I'll give you the 30-day report. Let's reset this for another formal hearing on December 18th, 2025 at 8:30.
Okay.
All right. If there's nothing further, have a very good day. Here's Ms. Horn here.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a great day, everyone.
All right, have a better one. All right, Ms. Lackley, December 18th, have a good day.
Okay, thank you very much.
Ms. Horn?
Right, Madam Clerk. Thank you. That's Miss Harris's case. I appreciate you.
Officer McCullough, Lackley got reset to the 18th of December. Say.
Thank you, Your Honor. You said December 18th, correct?
Right. Officer Hunt. You're free to leave, Officer McCullough. Be safe.
Are you as well?
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lewis. Mr. Lewis, giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to allow him to enter a plea to allowing.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Lewis?
Yes.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Do you understand that maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Any questions about those rights?
No.
You know, by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to June the 12th, 2025, around 12:04 a.m. in the city of Detroit, near Woodward and MLK. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license.
Yes.
You could not do so, could you?
No.
Why is that?
My license was suspended. Unknowingly, my license was suspended.
Very well. Find your client guilty as to the amended count of allowing $240 will be the fine dismissed upon payment. When can you pay it, Mr. Lewis?
About a month or so.
I'll give you a month. December the 18th, 2025. Come back that morning at 8:25. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If there's nothing further.
I have a question.
Yes.
So you said it's DIP?
DIVDAT.
DIVDIT. And if it's paid, do I still have to show up on the 18th?
No, if it's paid, we'll dismiss the case. If not, then I need to see you.
All right, DIVDIT, correct, sir?
DIVDAT.
DAT, I'm sorry. Okay.
All right, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
You as well.
Thank you. City of Detroit versus Colin Drake Lester, case number.
Good afternoon. Good morning.
Take your hand out, sir. Colin Drake Lester, case number SP 179-494. 3 counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 179-495-41. Appearance for the record, please, Mr. Barrett. Barrett, appearance for the record, you're muted.
Colin Lester.
Yeah, good morning to you, sir.
Good morning.
Did you get my appearance? It's Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Lester, Your Honor.
Okay, good morning. Mr. Lester, today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Mr. Berry is going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to put you in the breakout room with him. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
All right, thanks.
Join the room, we'll pass the matter. Mr. Gomez, Samuel Gomez.
Yes. Hello, Your Honor.
Morning. Do you have valid registration, sir?
I do.
All right, City of Detroit versus Samuel Hunter Gomez, case number SP 108-029-891. Appearance, state your name for the record, please.
Samuel Hunter Gomez.
All right, Ms. Horn, do you want to see his registration?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, if you want to hold it up.
And Tamika Horn on behalf of the City of Detroit, P70303. Okay, and just trying to give him the whole.
I see it from March the 30th, Gomez on the 2019 Ford truck.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Ford, yeah, station wagon. You can put it down, Mr. Gomez.
Thank you, Mr. Gomez.
All right, any objection, dismissing him for provide valid documentation?
No objection, Your Honor. Thank you.
Dismiss, Mr. Gomez. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you very much.
Okay, Ms. Markey. Yes, ma'am.
So which one? Are these your marks?
That's my notch. Notches, and then I don't confuse myself.
Okay.
The judges are to the, like he has it to the left.
Okay, so these are.
I have the file if you need it.
Okay. I'm playing this one.
Okay, oh.
And these are tickets that you are addressing.
Awesome, thank you. I appreciate it. All right.
Are you ready on anyone, Ms. Harris?
No, Your Honor. Just wanted to check the status of the license for Mr. Lewis.
Joseph Lewis is valid.
Thank you.
Okay, I noted it, Ms. Harrison, we can talk about him because I think he's got a lot, right?
Okay, I will wait for you in room 4. Thank you.
Okay, all right.
Mr. Myron can help me. Are you scheduled for court today? Okay, hold on for just a second. You said gang is too much. Did you want me to manage it?
No.
No. Thank you.
Here we go. We'll talk with Harris. Get away with as many things as I can. Those are paper clips. I don't know what about this. I'm sorry, Your Honor.
They're waiting on you.
Yes, I'm going to speak to Ms. Harris.
Waiting on an attorney.
Amen.
All right, Mr. Gant, turn your camera on, unmute yourself. Don't say one more cuss word out of your mouth, sir. I'm gonna start finding. Unmute yourself. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Anthony Javon Gant. Gant, you need to take yourself some English classes. Learn how to better express yourself. Unmute yourself.
Hello?
Yes,
Can you hear me?
your camera's not working. Mr. Gant,
My
you need to
camera,
take.
my device, I'm trying to do it. My device keep on tripping.
All right, Mr. Gant, let me say this. Take yourself some English courses, sir. So you need to learn how to better express yourself. Don't come in my court disrespecting the court and the people in here by using that foul language again. You understand me?
Yes, sir. I'm sorry about that, sir.
You two were supposed to pay $240. You started to indicate that you couldn't pay it because something went on with your job.
Yes, sir. And I just got me another job right now. I'm with my Uncle Fred. We doing plumbing. I'm trying to get myself in order right now so I can pay you guys. I just got me another job right now. I'm about to be on my way to work right now, trying to get myself together.
You're not driving now, are you?
No, I'm not driving. I'm not driving at all, sir.
All right, I'm gonna give you another 30 days like everybody else to get yourself together. And that's gonna be the next time you come in here, you say another cuss word in my court, it's gonna be, every word is gonna be $25. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
All right, I'm not even gonna put a review, just pay it by, December the 18th. I wish you the best of luck. And have a very good day and congratulations on the job.
Okay, no problem, sir.
All right,
Thank you.
you're welcome.
Okay, have a good one.
You as well.
Okay.
The mom so he doesn't cuss again. Yeah, that's all you know how to express yourself, it's just a word.
You definitely need some etiquette form classes.
He's translating, but you understand what he's saying very well, but he doesn't need to say it in that way. Google Pixel 7 is continue to come in and out. They don't know how to operate their device.
Yeah. It went off. Ooh, it's so good.
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Yeah, so I tried to get in touch with you. They took the dismissal.
Okay.
All right, be safe.
Yep. Thank you very much. Have a good day.
She has appeared.
Some people, they do it like,
I'm like, Ms. Gaines, I'm trying to get you out of here. I've got to wait on the lawyer.
Oh, I'm
That's-
sorry. I couldn't hear you talk. I didn't know that was on my end. Okay, no problem.
Just want a trial date.
No, I can wait.
Excuse me, if you're speaking to me, I cannot hear you.
Judge has the courtroom muted. One moment.
I really want to get out because I want to work part-time and get that money. Yeah, and I say, how can I get in? They said, excuse me. They said, don't say nothing.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Lester. Mr. Lester, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to allow him to enter a plea to 28.425 F paren 4 of the firearms matter, and the remaining matters to be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes, sir.
I think that's what they wrote him under too, but let's make sure.
28.425 F4 paren 4.
That's $100.
Yes, sir.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
Yes, Your Honor. So stipulated.
That find you responsible for the as charged, I'm gonna say, because it's listed on here as $100. $100. When can you pay it, sir?
I have a lot of other tickets I'm trying to take care of, but I should be able to take care of that with my next check.
When is that?
Between Wednesday and Friday of this week.
All right, I'll give you until Friday. Pay $100. Pay it at any DivDad kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told the 21st at the end of the week. Pay it at any DivDad kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDad app to your phone or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If there's something further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
You as well. Thank you.
You're welcome. City of Detroit versus Luis Geraldo Galvin, case number SP 1801837, counts 1 and counts 2, 1801838. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Galvin.
Luis Gerardo Galvan Jr.
All right, good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Mr. Galvin Jr., I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Okay, thank you.
Let's pass the matter.
He said, don't say it.
Yeah.
I never did. I moved on.
You should have said.
I know. I was like, 'cause I thought about that pretty hard. I was like,
Yeah. Can't follow that instruction.
can't listen. Learned the lesson that day.
Okay, on the telephone at 313-900-6612. Good morning to you. What is your name, please?
Harold Lawson.
Harold Lawson. Were you on
Yes.
that Google 6?
Yes, I was. I'm sorry about that, Your Honor. I was trying to. I could hear you, and I was trying to push the button with the microphone to unmute it, and it wouldn't let me do it.
Yeah. Insurance. If you had insurance paperwork to show, then we can get you out of here.
I'm actually going to get it November the 19th, which is this Wednesday. I'm going to Secretary of State and get my my tags and my insurance. If I can bring it up to the court, or
Yeah, bring it up to the court. You want to come back on the 20th?
that'll be fine. Do I just go up to the docket, or I got to come to your courtroom?
434.
I'm sorry. Can you say it again, Your Honor?
Up to courtroom 434.
So just bring my insurance and my license and stuff to your courtroom 434.
Exactly.
Okay. There's a certain time that I have to be up there.
First thing in the morning.
Okay, Your Honor. I really appreciate it. Sorry again about that.
Sorry. Best of luck to you.
All right. Thanks a lot.
Yeah, because it started in 2021. And you couldn't follow instructions? All right. Let's go back on the record. Not yet, not yet. Hold on, we'll wait till Ms. Harris comes back out.
We would do bigger things like that.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Galvin. Mr. Galvin, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client requires a trial and the appointment of counsel. I'm entering his phone number into the chat right now.
All right. Mr. Galvin, I'm going to set you a pretrial for December the 9th, 2025 at 8:30. That date is set to make sure that appointed attorney gets in contact with you. If that appointed attorney does not get in contact with you by that date, I'm going to get one appointed to you on the spot, okay?
Okay. Yes, sir. That sounds good.
Let me wait to see if we have the right number. Is the number, the last four, 1954?
Yes, sir.
All right, answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot. If there's nothing further, sir, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
This is the city of Detroit versus Terrence Jermaine Granberry, case number SP 179-2535, count 1, 2, strike that, count 1. SP 179-3253, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Granberry.
Terrence Jermaine Granberry.
All right,
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Enter a not guilty plea on his behalf, give him a $0 bond. He's got 3 other civil infractions that I didn't have an issue with setting aside. Expired plate, no insurance, a defective windshield or bumper. If it's not Mr. Granberry, Mr. Berry is going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
All right, thank you.
Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Greer. Mr. Greer, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client is going to enter a plea to the amended count of allowing as well as the amended count of speeding 1 to 5 over. And the allowing would be taken under a 6-month delayed sentence.
Do you want to take the deal, sir?
Yes, sir.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days and or $500 in fines?
Yes, sir.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Harris went over your other advice or rights to breakout room, did she not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Any questions about those rights?
No.
You know about taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
Let me draw your attention back to August 25th, 2025 at around 11:14 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Nevada and Packard. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, sir.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes, sir.
The officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license.
Yes, sir.
You couldn't do so, could you?
No, sir.
And why is that?
It was a suspended license. I think it was suspended for no insurance. I had missed a court date, so I had a bench warrant.
All right, find your client guilty of the amended count of allowing. Don't tell me that you're driving in this speed in this fast in the school zone.
No, I wasn't aware there was school zone.
But you were driving that fast?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It's too fast. You're going too fast. You're gonna hurt somebody. Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for that responsible plea.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, $240. When can you pay it, Mr. Greer?
I have to pay on 20th.
I'll give you to the 21st, come back, for 21st. You already owe the court more money.
I know, I'm aware of that. I just want to take care of this matter so I can come back and take care of the rest. Because I have to come back with a valid license.
I'll mark the file, allow payment plan. On the 20th, come down here and get into a payment plan with that money you were gonna pay, all right? And then you want to deal with me. I'll see you on Friday at 8:25. There's nothing further, so I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your
Could I ask you a question? So I'm paying it $240, right? And then the rest I can ask for a payment plan?
Well, just get into a payment plan on all of it. They're gonna want some money down, so use that $240 as the down payment for the payment plan.
Oh, okay, that'll work even better.
Come into the courthouse to get into the payment plan.
Okay.
All right, there's nothing further. I wish you the best of luck. Everybody on officers on, oh, that's Lewis. All right, have a very good rest of your day, all right, Mr. Greer. Best of luck
Yes,
to
sir.
you. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Joseph Lawrence Greer. Ms. Harris, what's gonna be the resolution? Let me strike that. Ms. Joseph Lawrence Lewis. Ms. Harris, what's gonna be the resolution of any?
Your Honor, my client is going to enter a plea. And that plea is, oh, I lost my notes. 1 count of allowing, 1 count improper plate, 2 counts expired plates, and an amendment of the driving in an unsafe manner to limited access 1 to 5 over, with the remaining matters dismissed.
You wanna take the deal, Mr. Lewis?
Yes, Your Honor, I do.
Can you raise your right hand, please?
Yes, I can.
Do you swear or affirm tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
All right, you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines for the misdemeanors?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Harris went over your other advice, the rights, and breakout room, did she not?
Yes, sir.
You understood those rights?
Yes, sir.
Have any questions about those rights?
No.
You know, by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to September 11th, 2025 at around 1:53 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Gratiot and Benson. Do you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, sir.
Was this your 2015 Jeep?
Yes, sir.
Did the officer ask you to produce valid driver's license, registration, and insurance?
Yes, sir.
And you could not do either, could you?
I had registration. I didn't have proof of license and insurance. I have registration always in my vehicle.
How do you have registration and your license it says expired plate?
But I'm just answering what you asked me. You said they said no registration. It's registered in my name, and them 2 documents are always in my car. I even had that paperwork with me too.
All right, let me ask you a different way. Is the registration up to date?
No, Your Honor.
Very well. Find your client guilty as to the amended count. And what about the license?
Your Honor, I went and took them steps that you told me, and I have that paperwork right here from the Secretary of State.
I see you got a valid license. Congratulations. At the time of this traffic stop, did you have a valid license?
No, sir.
Your client guilty of the amended count of allowing for not having a valid license. What about the insurance? Could you produce valid insurance?
No, sir. No, Your Honor.
Client guilty of the amended count of improper plate for not having the insurance and as charged to the expired plate. Let me draw your attention back to July the 9th, 2025, around 5:14 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Harvard and East Grand. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, Your Honor.
Operating that same 2015 Jeep?
Yes, Your Honor.
Well, wait a minute, let's scratch that. We don't need that. It's 2 counts of expired plate, but I only see 1 expired plate.
Well, the no proof of insurance matters were being amended to expired plate.
Oh, okay. Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible pleas on your client's behalf.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
I couldn't really understand, like, which charge, how many cases are being dismissed?
A lot.
Your Honor, you might see me. I got my hair down. Usually I be trying to have it so I don't like being kind of. My mom's birthday was last night, so we had she turned 56, so we had but everything you ever asked me since I first came in your courtroom, I did it, Judge. Everything you ever asked me since I came in your courtroom, I did it. You gave me privileges to pay certain fines and took them. I did everything you asked me to do, Your Honor.
I see. You got a valid license. All right. Tell your mom happy birthday.
Yes, and they walking in the door now, so yes.
Well, I hope you didn't spend all your money on your mom's birthday present.
No, I just got her a Lions jersey. I should have got her a Pistons jersey. Other than that, Your Honor, but I'm like, I was the one working at Fort Order. It ain't stopping me. I'm about to be back working this Thursday at Lear, right? I'm just everything you asked me. I told you would be like, oh yeah, I'm trying to handle my business.
You handled it. Congratulations. So how much are we gonna fine you?
Your Honor, we respectfully request leniency in terms of any fines and costs imposed by the court. We would also ask that the court would allow community service, that be a consideration as well.
Do you want to do community service, or do you want, because I don't know how much more leniency I can give them, I've given them all the leniency.
Hey, Your Honor, I'm just trying, and like I say, I'm not fully working yet, but I am gonna be working. But I can, whichever you think the best of the fit for me is, I'm gonna accept that because I take full responsibility of my actions. So I'm just trying to get back to the right path of my life, or what I like to do.
I'll say if you put in 54 hours of community service or pay
I'm walking in now. I'm definitely about to let her know. The judge said, "Happy birthday, Mom." Hey, Mom. Hey, Mom. Mom. You've been hearing the judge on the phone a lot and hear him. He told me to tell my mama happy birthday, and yeah. So, but I'm still on here, so yeah. Thank you. Can you help me fill out these papers? Shut up, Mom. I need this to help me. Put everything in my name. I'll be telling you. Mom, I'm in court still. I'm still in court. What that mean? So I'm in court. You can't do that in court. On mute? No, I'm on here now. Oh. It's me talking to the judge. It's your birthday, but calm down. Real, I'm in court right now. He hearing everything I'm saying.
Mr. Lewis.
Yeah. Yes.
You gonna be a little nicer to your mama? Okay.
She a little hyper still, but I'm in court. We got to be respectful.
This is what Ms. Harris is trying to say. Be respectful to your mom. Most important.
She's still feeling her. She's still having a good birthday. Well, I'm letting her know, like, I'm in court, man. She thinking I had it in mute, so I'm just telling her, like, not too loud. I'm actually in here. That's all. She know I don't mean no harm. She know I don't mean no harm.
All right, you got 55 hours of community service or $610.
I do the 55 hours of community service. I can start Monday.
I need a good phone number from you.
313-960-0832.
0832. I'm going to give you the number to Miss Shelton, the community service coordinator. You shouldn't have to call her though. She should call you. But I always give the number out just to make sure.
Yes, Your Honor.
Give you to December the 18th to do the community service.
And just to tell you, I appreciate everything you did for me, Your Honor. I definitely do. That's why I want this. That's why I was trying to make sure I was stood to my word and did everything you asked me to do. I definitely appreciate it, Your Honor.
It was your benefit. You got a valid driver's license now. The 55 hours is going to be, I'm going to refer to probation, answer the call, refer to community service, answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that Ms. Shelton or somebody from her department. If you have an issue with not hearing from her, get back in touch with us in about a week or so. We'll get you in touch with her. Again, best of luck to you, sir. Congratulations on your license, and I'm glad you and your mom enjoyed her birthday.
Your Honor, that made my day. I appreciate you so much.
All right, best of luck to you.
You too. Thank you. Have a great one.
This is City of Detroit versus Shantae Lamar overall. Case number SP 1783409, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Harris on behalf of defendant, please state your name for the record.
Shantae Lamar overall.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Day is date time set for a pre-trial, I believe. Yeah. Mr. Harris, Mr. Overall, get him an updated offer. Keep in mind, Mr. Overall, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. And put you in a breakout room, Ms. Harris. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Your Honor, wasn't an attorney requested?
No, it wasn't. Join the room, we'll pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Granberry. Mr. Granberry, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, prosecution has no objection to setting aside the default. And in that regard, my client would avail himself of the offer of failure to display for the driving while license suspended and the off-docket matters to be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Granberry?
Yes, sir.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
All right, you can put your hands down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense? There's 93 days in jail and $4 or $500 of fine.
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice and rights to break out on, did he not?
Yes, he did.
You understand those rights?
Yes.
You have any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
You know, by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to September the 13th, 2025, around 11:58 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Stoughton Joy Road. Did you have an occasion on that day to come and call Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license.
Yes.
You could not do so, could you?
No, sir.
Why is that?
Because it was suspended.
Very well. Find your client guilty of the amended count of failure to display, which stipulates the probable cause will dismiss the other matters.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, 240, Mr. Granberry, 240. When can you pay it?
Can I have like a month, maybe? Just to
December
be sure.
18th. December 18th, pay it, and he did that kiosk in the city of Detroit. I told you can upload to did that after your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse, pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If it's nothing further, Mr. Granberry, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
So thank you.
City of Detroit versus Michaela Lynn. Gaines, case number SP 1442947, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1493091. SP 1710139, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1816509, counts 1 and counts 2. And State of Michigan versus Michaela Gaines, case number SX 37096943. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Gaines.
My name is Michaela Linnea Gaines.
Michaela, I'm sorry. Day, date, and time set for a pre-trial and an arraignment on 2 cases, Mr. Berry. Purposes of arraignment on those cases, those aren't supposed to be arraigned until December the 4th, but we'll do it right now.
We would waive the reading of the information and stand mute, Your Honor.
Enter or not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Gaines, we consolidated all these cases, so you don't have to come back and worry about just the December 4th case. Mr. Berry's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Those 2 other cases was a defective brake light and a no insurance misdemeanor. Mr. Berry, gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room, Ms. Gaines. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please. Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Overall. Mr. Overall, I'll give you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what you plan want to do?
Your Honor, we are respectfully requesting the appointment of counsel.
All right, Mr. Overall, I'm gonna give you a pre-trial date of December the 9th, 2025 at 8:30. That date is set so that you have a chance, that an appointed attorney has a chance to contact you. I need you to answer the calls that you don't recognize. One of those calls hopefully is that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by your next court date, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot, okay?
Okay.
All right, if it's nothing further, December the 9th. Have a very good rest of your day at 8:30, okay?
You too.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. I didn't hear the final disposition for Mr. Joseph Lewis. Is Officer Green?
Joseph Lewis fled to Ms. Harris. What did Mr. Lewis fled to?
To 1 count of allowing, 1 count of improper plate, 2 counts of expired plates, and 1 count of speeding 1 to 5 over, or limited access 1 to 5.
I'll mark your file as appeared, Officer Green. Good morning to you, and safe out there.
Appreciate you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you. All right, let's go back on. Okay. let's go back on the record with Ms. Gaines. Ms. Gaines, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we seek a bench trial date so that she might return with documents.
All right, Ms. Gaines, I'm gonna give you a trial date for December the 11th, 2025 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, ma'am, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
You too, Judge Perkins. Thank you.
Thank you.